Hi, I'm Paul Allen, and this is the Schecter Hellraiser collection. This series features active EMG pickups, which have powerful ceramic magnets, which are great for increased sustain and output. These pickups are a little different than a traditional EMG pickup because they can be coil tapped, which allows you to get a wider variety of tones. The Schecter Hellraiser collection is either available in a Floyd Rose original trem or with a Tone Pros bridge system with Schecter locking tuners. Both options are really great for keeping your guitar in tune. The series features an Ultra Access neck joint which looks and feels like a neck through but is actually a set neck. This neck joint will allow you to effortlessly play high up on the neck. The series features a Mahogany Body with a quilted or flame maple top on select models. Also has a mahogany neck with a rosewood fingerboard, has Gothic cross inlays, and also features abalone binding. The Hellraiser series is available in a C1, C1FR, C7, C7FR, C8, Solo, and C1EX extended scale body styles. For more information, visit schecterguitars.com.
Epiphone's #1 selling model, the Les Paul Special 2, is a great way to get started on guitar while getting the feel and tone of a Les Paul. The Les Paul Special 2's authentic Les Paul power starts with an all-mahogany trademark Les Paul body with a bolt-on 1960s slim taper mahogany neck featuring a rosewood fingerboard with dot inlays. The Special 2 is voiced by a pair of hot open-coil Epiphone 700T and 650R humbucker pickups for that massive, unmistakable Les Paul tone. It comes standard with 500K potentiometers for the master volume and master tone controls, plus Epiphone's heavy-duty 3-way pickup selector toggle switch and exclusive non-rotating heavy-duty output jack. The Les Paul Special 2 also features nickel hardware, including the Epiphone Tune-O-Matic Bridge and stop bar tailpiece for amazing sustain and even more mind-blowing value. Check out the Epiphone Les Paul Special 2 at your local authorized Epiphone dealer or online at www.epiphone.com.